Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy marching into minis. Nope, I'm gonna still keep going. I've done this like 3 times. No, I'm just not gonna say happy. I'm just gonna say welcome to day 27 of marching through my minis. Oh my gosh, that's what I've been trying to say for like 13 takes. It was really 2, but I'm not doing it again. So thank you so much for being here for day 27. I'm very excited to bring my $8 that I bring every day in March to see if we can complete stuff. We were a little close to some yesterday, and some that need it, like number 3, just really needs to get as many coins as humanly possible. So we are actually starting on number 3, so hopefully we can get all the way around and it can get 2 really good helpings of savings. Oops, I didn't put my money away. So we're going to put our $8 in the bank, and we already pulled out our $8 in prop coin. So that matches, and each little spot on my minis are 25 cents, and I have 25 and a couple 50 cents in here, and we are going to see if we can finish any today. So let's start on number 3. So I'm going to roll my D3. Yes, and we're, number 3. That was a little excited, but number 3 is getting 3. It needs all of the things, and then number 4 is getting 2. Ooh, number 5 is getting 3. 1 is getting 6 is getting 1. Oh, 7 is getting 1. 8 is getting 3. All right, let's go to 1. 2 for number 1. 1 for number 2. Come on, big numbers. Yes. 1, 2, and 3. It's a whole thing. I just really want to finish that challenge in March. 4 is getting 3. That's good. So I am cutting out the challenges I'm going to use in April. I'm getting everything all ready to go. So you'll see, except for this one, you'll see it April 1st. So I'm very excited. I'm using a new person I have not used before, so that's always fun. And then 2 for number 1. So we are going to start at number 2 tomorrow. All right. Scoop some things out of the way. All right. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Cheers to you. Happy day 27. Got my markers to the side. Let's see what we got going on. All right, so number 1 got $1. That's fantastic. That's right. This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. I made each star 25 cents. These 2 combined will save $5. So we can do 4 more stars. All right, so 4 more stars, and this 75 more cents, and we'll have saved $5. Ooh, look at number 2 with the 50 center. I want to say that belonged on 3, but let's see what. Oh my gosh, that's what we needed. We finished one. Yay. Oops. So this one is from Rainbow Budgets, and it's Hawaiian monk seal is Hawaii's state mammal. I made each letter 25 cents, and it's going to save us $4. So yay for finishing one with just 1 pop coin. So let's get an extra. What is this one? Is Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Okay, with the ice cream. So we'll put this. This will save $5. 1, 2, 5. Yep. All right, number 3. Let's see what we got. I got 1. Okay, I got 150 cents. So we have $1.75. All right, I'll take it. That's pretty good. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3. Oh, we only need $1. I think we can finish it. I'm not going to finish that sentence. All right, I'm going to color these in and I'll be right back. Oh my gosh. I remember when we started this and I was like, we're never going to finish this, but we are. Cactus makes perfect, says Becca at Becca Budget 777. So that's going back into number 3. Let's put our $1.75 away. All right, number 4. Ooh, we got $1.50 for number 4. And we just needed $1. So let's take our $1 away and mark off these last 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So now we need a new one for number 4. Getting a little low on what's up front. Oh, I'm a little worried about this one. This one's $7. All right. Hello, August. Oh no. Oh, I don't know who this is from. Well, it's really cute. It says hello, August. All right, so we're going to do green, so we can do 2 flowers. So this one we might not finish in March, but that's okay. It'll be a cute one to finish in April, even though it says hello, August. All right, so that's done. All right, number 5. Number 5 got $1. This one is from Cash and Coin Crew. Let's go, ghouls. All right, 75 more cents, and that will save us $4. All right, number 6 got 50 cents. This one is from Norella's Budgets. So we can do 2 more circles. All right. And then number 7 also got 50 cents. This one is from Steph's on a Budget. As if. We can do 2 more boxes. So no matter what it says on the challenge, every box is 25 cents. And there's some that I mark off before I even start because that way it will help me make an even round number as opposed to having like 25 or 50 cents left over. So we have $1.25 going into number 8. This one is from Printable by Woods, who is now Evergreen Budgets. I had forgot for a second. So we can do 4 or 5 spots. And this one will save $5. Stick that in there. All right. I'm going to probably have to fill up a little bit more in my extras just to be on the safe side. So let's go back up here. I'm super glad we finished a couple. That's always fun. And let's put our prop coins away. All of this is from Brittany over at Budgeting with Ginger. And we need to figure out how much we have. So we have $4 and $3. So we need $7. So we have 5, 6, and 7. And then we'll go back here and put our $7 in the completed. And then our 2 challenges will go here. And I'm really, really excited to count these. Cannot wait. If you have any guesses, I would love to hear them down below. I want to say 47, maybe. I'm not going to count them. I'm hoping to get more than 59 because that's what I did in February. So, okay. So we are all set with day 27. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate you guys more than you will ever know. And until next time, take care. Bye.